Yeah, you steady losing, cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch.
What's up, my beauty bosses? It's your girl Tatiyonna Raelynn back with another video, and today your girl is doing her first twist out. So yeah, I have tried to do it, but it never turns out right, and I think it's because I usually do it when it is soaking wet. So I decided to wash my hair the day before and just kind of wet it down. So I'm just wetting it down. I have a little bit of leave-in conditioner inside of my water bottle. So I put some warm water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I am using as I am leave-in conditioner, and I am using as I am curl enhancer as I'm twisting it and combing the product through the hair. So yeah, I did pretty like small to medium twist. Next time I might do them a little smaller. I feel like maybe they were a little bit too big. You'll see how they turned out at the end. But anyways, that's all the talking I am going to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I post a video. Thank y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.